Welcome, electric petrol heads. I'm Alex, and this is 7 kilowatt power unit. This is an entry-level power unit for kids from the age of 7 to 12. It can be mounted on any standard chassis out there. This power unit works on a 48-volt system that can produce power of 7 kilowatts with a max speed of 19 kilometers per hour. As you can see, these are the two main parts of the power unit, the power unit itself and the battery. The power unit is equipped with a 3-phase permanent magnet brushless motor that spins up to 4000 RPM with a peak torque of 40 Newton meters. The full weight of the power unit is 31 kilograms. With this battery, you can do an 18-minute session depending on the track. If you don't have any previous knowledge in go-karting, don't worry, as this power unit can be mounted in half an hour maximum by a complete beginner. You can't have a battery without a charger. This charger works both with 110 and 220 volt supply by just plugging it in any standard wall plug. That means that you can use it in any part of the world. The charge time from 20 to 90% for this charger is approximately 1 hour. Another important part for the battery is the battery slider with the battery lock system. Also in a package you will receive 2 extra sprockets and also 2 lower brackets and 2 bolts to mount the power unit on the chassis.